In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix for building an e-commerce website in 2025. To get started, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. From there, select the e-commerce website that you're working on. Accessing your dashboard is quite straightforward, and it is the main control center where you'll manage your site's activities. Next, let's talk about adding products to your store. On your Wix dashboard, you'll want to go to Store Products and then click on Add Products. Here you can choose from three options: physical, digital, or service products. This flexibility allows you to tailor your store to suit your needs. It's important to fill in the product details carefully. This includes the name, description, price, and SKU. Don't forget to upload images and include any variants like size or color. When you're satisfied with the details, be sure to save your product. Organizing your products into categories is a great way to streamline navigation for your customers. To do this, go to Store Products and then Categories. You can create new categories or edit the ones you have to suit your merchandise collection. Once your products are set, it's crucial to set up payment methods to make transactions smooth and secure. Head over to Settings and click on Accept Payments. Here, you'll find options to enable various payment methods such as credit or debit cards, PayPal, and Stripe. You can also offer offline payment options such as cash on delivery. Each option includes detailed instructions for connecting accounts securely, which is vital for maintaining customer trust. Now let's configure your shipping settings. Go to Settings once again and navigate to Shipping and Delivery. This section allows you to set up your shipping regions, rates, and methods. If you offer local delivery, make sure to define the delivery areas and any associated fees. Setting accurate shipping options can prevent unexpected costs and improve customer satisfaction. Customizing your store's appearance comes next. This is where you can really make your store eye-catching and unique. Go to the editor and click on Store Pages, where you can edit the product pages, add banners, or feature collections. Tweaking fonts, colors, and layout is also an option. Remember to use the mobile editor to ensure your store is mobile friendly, as a large percentage of shoppers use mobile devices. Managing your orders effectively is just as important as setting them up. You can do this by navigating to Store and then Orders. This section will help you to track the status of orders, update customers with email notifications, and manage any refunds or cancellations that may be necessary. Finally, using Wix Analytics is a powerful way to keep track of your store's performance. Go to Analytics and Reports to monitor sales, traffic, popular products, and conversion rates. These insights are extremely valuable in helping you make informed decisions about your business strategy. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating